Angi.
Biamano sana omerikecho job maangi asorobotiro oria korinde togosuka motu asorobotiro nigongo kumanyibuna umurai wense Dr. William Ruto nigolitukolierero aikirana asensemo ya Embakasi Garrison rinde wanchera naboigo kubwatuka abanyanyimbo ba KDF ase okogenda chinsemo chirichia DRC Congo asoko enekia obotoreru kolengana n'umurai wense Dr. William Ruto nigo aenekibuna ense ya DRC Congo nigo yabereke gutwara omuchando omonene ase okuburo kuburendi kwabere gokoenekegwa ase gekegetambe nabo igokogania obokonyi orobatira senchira iyo wikirano.
Republic of Congo, and no country in the world has been so cruelly robbed of such abundance of promise through conflict, insecurity, and instability. As neighbors, with various interlinkages, the destiny of DRC is intertwined with ours. We all have a stake in a stable democratic Republic of Congo, and its security is an obligation that we commit our best effort to achieve. The DRC has made encouraging steps to stabilize, create national capacity to provide security services, as well as guarantee opportunities for its citizens. The country remains, however, burdened with serious challenges, and I believe that we owe a brotherly duty of solidarity to meet DRC halfway and stand together until the job is done. The situation in Eastern DRC remains fluid at the operational and even at the diplomatic level. For years, peace has eluded the DRC on accounts of insecurity caused by armed groups and rebels who continue to target security agencies and civilian populations. This state of insecurity is of tremendous concern to humanity and to our region. In light of the invitation by the DRC, the deployment of a regional force in pursuit of peace and the activation of the East African Community Regional Force for stalled conflict is therefore legitimate, urgent,